We're doing more with less. And I think for agriculture and for others, I mean, you look at the push in this country, you know, it's just all geared towards sustainability. You know, part of that sustainability equation is profitability. For us, if we can accomplish the same things with less cows or cows that are more fuel efficient, they gain more and eat less, you know, all those things we all chase, the better we can build a cow and give it a chance, it can reward us more, and consequently it's using less resources every day to accomplish the same goal. That's how genomic testing our commercial cow herd with Zoetis is helping us, and hopefully accomplish it even better in terms of our ultimate customer, which is paying the bills, is the person who eats our beef. If we don't do a good job satisfying them, the rest of the story is a moot point. Well, it was started by my wife's family in the early 50s. Goes back a long way, but the generations on the maternal side go back 7 generations in the cattle business. My son, who would be a 7th generation cattleman here and is we're trying to carry on that tradition, enjoy it every day.
So our cow herd is broken into 3 herds. We have 2 maternal herds, that's a Angus. From there we cover them with an Angus bull, and that builds our ultra black. Our ultra black cows get covered by a Charolais bull, and that's what we consider our terminal. From there, our terminal cows actually get covered by Wagyu, which is something kind of unique to this area.
My son calls me a tinkerer. I can't leave things alone, so we're constantly striving to do better. But as a commercial producer, and I think a lot of people are guilty of this, how do we do that? Most of us focus on what we can do on the commercial bull side. You know, where do we go to the seed stock to build our herd better? All of our AI work, it's all about the bull. So we're leaving half of the equation unanswered. We're not focusing on the female side at all. And for us, that's the next frontier. And that's where Inherit Select comes in.
We put a lot of work into our cow herd. We retain ownership on our calves because that's the best way to know what direction you're moving. And to be able to look at the forgotten half of the puzzle. Everybody worries about bulls and their bull power, but if you're not tracking what your cows are doing and what kind of heifers you're replacing your herd with, you're wasting a lot of time and money.
We all love what we do, and we just can't continue to do it if we don't do it as well as we can. And for me, this is just another tool in the toolbox. It's really handy. You know, if you're going to pull a transmission, doing it with a single 9/16 wrench is a job, you know, but when you've got a whole plethora of tools there, it's not that big a deal. That's sort of what this is. This is a whole half of the equation. It helps our family service those people that depend on us better because we're delivering a better product, and the end result is that, you know, we have a lot of small ranchers around here that use our genetics, but ultimately it's created a market where, you know, when their calf is harvested, it's a better animal that would have been if we hadn't have done the work and invested the time to make good decisions. And you cannot make good decisions without good information.